Hey everyone, welcome back to Python for Beginners series on Power Pro Academy. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most powerful features of Python, which is modules. So, what exactly is a module in Python? A module is simply a Python file with .py that contains functions, variables, or even classes that you can reuse in your program. Think of it like a toolbox. You don't have to build tools from scratch every time, just use what is already built. So why we use modules? Using modules helps you keep your code organized to avoid repetition and make your program scalable and efficient. So let's talk about importing modules. You can import modules using the import keyword. For example, let's import predefined module. So in VS Code, I am writing import math and the next line print math.sqrt16. So we have a module math, and in that module I have various type of functions of mathematics. So here I am calling square root of 16. So this imports the math module, and now you can use all the functions inside. Now the next one is aliasing modules. So if you want a shortened name for the module, you can use aliasing. So import math as m, and then I can print m dot square root of 25. So this is super helpful when dealing with long module lengths. Now we can also use from import feature of Python. So here I am writing from math import square root and print square root of 36. So here I am not importing the whole module, but a function of that module. So now you don't have to write math.sqrt, you can just directly write sqrt. So there are variety of built-in modules in Python, because Python has a huge standard library. Some useful modules are random, which is used for generating random numbers, the datetime module for working with dates and times, OS module for interacting with operating system, and the sys module for accessing system specific parameter. So now we can also create our custom modules. So if we want to create our own module, we have to just write a code in a .py file and import it into another script. It is simple as that. So let's create it. Okay, so here I have my file, my module.py, and inside it I am writing a function. So let's write it def greet, and the parameter is name, and I am returning hello name, welcome to Power Pro Academy. Now let's import this module in our main script. So I am importing my module or the file name. So import my module, and I have to print my module.greet, which is the function I have written in my module.py file, and I have to just write the parameter name. So I am writing Satya, and boom, you have created and used your custom module also. So great, that's it. You have just learned how module help make your code cleaner, modular, and more powerful. In the next video, we will explore Python data structure like list, tuple, dictionary, and sets. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have ever used a Python module before. Join our WhatsApp community for free learning support. Visit our website for free resources. I see you in the next video. Happy coding!